Hello, I'm Richard Fordry, the founder of Boost, and I'd just like to walk you through one of our more recent courses on personal statements and why employability skills are so important. There's three main objectives of the training. The first one is to create the link between the importance of the employability skills and the content required in the personal statement. The second is understanding the structure, the style, and the content requirements of the statement. And the third is ensuring the content is evidence-based so that it really brings to the fore the individual's character and personality and makes it clear why they're applying as part of an admissions process or for a role. We take them on a number of stages. Firstly, defining the personal statement. What is it? What is it for? We look at some videos and we get them to have a moment of personal self-reflection around what sort of person are they, naturally positive or negative, because that influences the words that they use in their statement. There are 7 stages that we take them through, thinking about why they're applying, their interests, their hobbies, their personality, their characteristics, their work experience, etc. And these are the foundations for the practice, which they'll then do later on in the session. So we talk about how the personal statement needs to be relevant to the application and how the employability skills need to be evidence-based. We give them lots of words to think about, to put into the statement, words that are going to help them to start sentences or to describe themselves. Getting started is often the biggest issue. We'll talk about which types of skills are most linked to the personal statement, and we will talk about a example statement in detail. We'll rip it apart and discuss it and talk about what's good about it. And we'll talk about the fact that they're going to maintain the document in Word or in a written form, which they'll then be able to use in the future. We then go on to practice, and we have an 8-page booklet which they can use in relation to all of the stages that we've taught them through throughout the session. It's well structured. It allows them to do a bit of a brainstorm and then to start writing notes in more detail before they then would go away and write the personal statement fully for themselves. So I hope you enjoy the structure of the course. It's a very good course, had lots of good feedback, and if you'd like to know any more details, please do just make contact. Many thanks.